Nakakaloka! Bigla na lang nawala yung internet namin. Look at this. 13,156. Walang internet, pero reply pa rin ako sa mga YouTube comments and Facebook kasi naka 3G ako. Pero yung wifi namin nawala bigla. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. It's been like 3 hours na walang internet. And 13,156. Jesus freaking Christ. It needs to be uploaded on Sunday. And hindi ko alam if it will make it kasi nga, oh my gosh. And showtime na. No comments sa showtime. Nakakaloka. Good morning guys! Wala kaming internet. Tapos tumawag ako sa Globe. Sabi nila may overdue payment daw kami na kailangan bayaran. And I don't understand because we pay every month. And I actually just paid like 2 months ago. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Siguro sa previous pa na date na hindi siguro nabayaran ng kapatid ko. It's under my sister's name kasi. And yeah, basta pagkakaalam ko, pagdating ko dito, nagbabayad ako every month. Kahapon pa ng umaga, na-notice namin na nawala yung internet. Akala namin ano lang, sa signal lang or something. Nung gabi na ako tumawag. Pagkatawag ko sa gabi, yun nga, sabi niya. Tapos, nagbabayad kasi kami sa Cebuana. Tapos, close na yung Cebuana kagabi. So, ngayon na lang babayaran. 10 na actually. Pero yung tindahan namin hindi pa open. So, I will have my breakfast. Tapos sabi pa niya, pag nagbayad ako ngayon ng overdue payment, tatawagan ko sila pa for reconnection. Tapos, after 8 hours pa. Tapos, I still have one video to be uploaded. You guys, nakakainis. Hi guys! I will be removing my nail polish. I'm not gonna paint my nails today. I'm just gonna let it rest for at least a day. So, maybe I'll paint it tomorrow or on Monday. There's so many things going on in my life right now, but I'm choosing not to think about it because the more I think about it, the more like I stress out myself. So I'm just gonna chill. Our internet is back! I'm uploading the Maybelline Satin Skin Foundation review right now. It is at 23 minutes 22. It's actually fast. So, we'll see. 700 minutes. Sana ma-publish to bukas ng bonggang-bongga. Buti na lang bumalik yung internet ng maaga. Sabi kasi nila within 8 hours. So, I was expecting maybe later this afternoon. Pero, yeah, bumalik na siya. I'm so happy. It's at 2% right now. 680 minutes remaining. Perfect. And manunod ako ng Aldab. Hi guys! I am going to pick a new winner for my mini giveaway kasi hanggang ngayon hindi pa ako naka-receive ng response from the previous winner. So yeah, I'm going to pick one right now. I was gonna pick one last night kaya nga lang wala kaming internet tsaka I tried doing it on my phone but it's just too slow na hindi naglo-load lahat ng comments. So yeah, I'm gonna do it on my Lappy right now. And naglo-load na lahat ng comments. So 249 comments, randomly pick winner. Carla Del Rosario! You just won my giveaway. So I will screenshot this and post this on Facebook. I am looking for snacks kasi nagutom ako. We have Dunkin'. Should I? We have chips as well right here. I haven't really tried this one. I want to try this one. Is this good? This is really huge though. Have fish cracker and then cracklings. Oh my gosh, I love those. What else do we have here? Oh, we have Bang Bang Into the Roof. I was gonna make spaghetti tonight, pero sabi ng kapatid ko, wag ngayon, bukas na. Okay, bukas. Donut na lang ako. Okay. So bad, yet so good. I'm going to try this. Kumain na ako ng 4 na munchkin, tapos tempura, kumain na din ako. And wala lang, hindi pa ako busog eh. So, I'm gonna munch this. It looks so good. I love chips. Yummers! Pareho sila mangkukulam. I'm eating this right now while watching MMA. Actually, dinadahan-dahan ko lang to. Kasi maya-maya lang, darating na yung ulam namin. Nagpapili ako ng ulam kina Miss. Darating sila in a while. It's so good. Pero ayoko siyang ubusin kasi ang sama-sama nito sa aking tiyan. Yung aking tiyan lalaki na parang may baby. Bongga. But this is so good. I forgot how much this was though. Kasi wala lang, kinuha ko lang to na nag-grocery kami. Nilagay ko sa cart ni Mama. So, hindi ko alam kung magkano to. But after nyan, Your Face Sounds Familiar. One of my favorite shows. So, I'm excited. I'm going to cook saging. So, you put this here. Then you put water. Oh! Dong, ing na ako na dong. Hi, Ina. May magpa-shoutout ni mo. Ina yung pangalan. Nag-crush ko siya Marlon. Tingnan siya nga. Gwapuhang Marlon. Sige na, dong. Ing na, dong. Hi, Ina.
Mas basa?
Ha?
Mas basa?
Ako naman edit.
Ate, yun ay. Wow.
Sige.
Wait, ikaw na hi Sachi.
Good morning, guys. It is Monday, and I'm going to send the giveaway prizes to the winner. Si Carla, I forgot her last name, but yeah, I'm going to send this to her. Punta kami ng LBC, kasama ko si Mark. Sana hindi ito maalikabok. Wait. Ang tagal na nito dito eh. Hi guys, binabasa ko yung message sa sa Maybelline review ko. May nag-comment doon na hindi daw ako maganda pero he or she loves my channel. Tapos ako, nung na-receive ko siya, napatawanan talaga ako kasi wala sa akin yung mga ganyan eh. Iba-iba naman yung opinion natin. May mga taong, yeah, hindi ako nagagandahan. Pero I don't say it to their faces na hindi ka maganda. Pero you know, ganyan lang talaga siya ang tao. And then, yung mga very supportive na mga subscribers ko, mga viewers ko, may dalawa actually na nag-comment. Tapos parang, nag-argue na. Nire-respeto ko naman yung opinion niya. And actually, nag-comment siya sa isang video ko. Sabi niya, habang tumatagal daw, nagagandahan na rin daw siya sa akin. Nakakalok. Naluloka ako sa kanya, guys. Naluloka ako sa mga comments niya. Tapos, kung ano-ano niya sinasabi niya. Ayoko napapaaway kayo. So, as much as possible, wag na nating patulan. Nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso na may nagtatanggol sa akin. Pero at the same time, ayoko sana na madamay na yung mga viewers ko. Tinawag na niyang plastic yung isang nagtanggol sa akin. And ayoko niyan. And also, kahapon, pinapa-shoutout ko kay Marlon yung gustong magpa-shoutout. Kaya lang, nahihiya siya. Sabi niya, mamaya, kasi nahihiya pa ako, pero hindi niya ginawa kasi natulog na siya. Sorry! Next week, try ko ulit. Sinabi ko sa kanya, sige, mag-hi ka lang kay Ina. Ayaw niyo mag-hi. Nahihiya siya kasi tinutokso din siya ng mga kapatid ko. Pero next week, Ina, I will try to convince him again. I know he will do it. He was gonna do it last night. Kaya nga lang tinutokso siya. So, next week, try natin ulit, ha? Ina for the win! Okay, I'm just gonna continue. Yeah, so, ano bang gagawin ko ngayon? Nasend ko na pala yung prices kay Carla kanina. Ang mahal ng LBC, 180. Ganun ba talaga yun? Hindi siya nagtanong sa akin, ano ba to ma'am? Express or diretso 180 yung singil niya. So, I don't know. Hindi ako nagsisend talaga ng packages eh. Ganun ba talaga pag LBC? Let me know down below. Kasi nakakaloka ang 180 na siya kako. Akala ko less than 100 lang yung babayaran ko. Pero it's okay. Yeah, parang mas mahal pa ata yung nabayaran ko kaysa sa amount ng moisturizer na sinend ko. Nakakaloka. No, not really, but close. Pero yun, naloka lang ako kanina. Hi guys! I am going to paint my nails and I will use the Sassy colors in the shade Coffee Brown. This is pretty close to my favorite one, the Touch of Beige. Not 100%. Kasi ito, malapit na siya maubos. Tapos, this is always sold out. Maraming bumibili nito, I'm pretty sure. Kasi lagi siyang wala. It's not really a dupe. Ito, parang yung favorite color ko. Anyway, okay lang yan. I'm just gonna continue painting my nails using the Coffee Brown from Sassy. Morning guys! Kakagising ko lang. I will go get breakfast. Let's go. I have a package. Kakarating lang ni Kuya. Ano kaya yan? Saan galing yan? Saan eh? Thank you. Saan galing ito? I don't know what is this. Let us check. Hindi naman siya eye white kasi sobrang gaan lang. I have a letter. Oh, it's from VA Cosmetics. Oh my gosh. Aww. So sweet. Hindi ko na-expect to. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Wait, let me open it. Guys. Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god. e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick. e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick. NYC Cheek Glow Blush. I can't, oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. Glazed lip paint from LA Girl. Oh my gosh, the color looks amazing. Balls. And then this. Oh yes, I've heard a lot of good things about this one. I can't wait to review this. Thank you! Hi guys! Time na for shoutouts, and may utang pa ako sa iba last week kasi hindi ko na sila na-include kasi nga na-close ko na yung weekly vlog 15 ko. I'm gonna start sa last week na post ko na hindi nakahabol. So, parang attendance na naman to. May nag-comment sa weekly vlog 15 ko, sabi niya parang attendance lang. Totoo din naman, dami kong lista like it starts here, tapos dito ng bonggang-bongga. Pero yeah, please do let me know down below kung hindi ko na-pronounce ng maayos yung mga pangalan nyo para ma-pronounce ko siya ng maayos next time. Start na tayo! Hi to May Catalan, Diane Garpeza, Micaela Marie Galido. Sorry kung hindi kita na shoutout last week, pero ito na. Hi Micaela Marie Galido, Krisha Joy Villar, Ninia Kiri Lavine, Tuesday Calderon, Janine, Geraldine, I don't know how to pronounce that, Butte, Sanchez, Nadine Mejoras, Chini Hover Juane, I think I got that right this time. Mary Joy Surya, Katrina Oftana, Heidi Claire. Hi! Yan yun sa post ko last week. Tapos yun sa pinost ko the other day, eto na. Hi to Angie Herbias Nonato, Lelaine Recamara. Hi Lelaine! Desky Tots, Rachel Tavera, Jackie Page. I love that name, Jackie Page. Ian Dexter Del Rosario. I am Steffi. Gerald Agustin, Joyce Imperial, ACL Return, Belle Koiki, Krisha Maglaya. Si Krisha Maglaya, meron din siyang YouTube channel, Krisha M. I will leave the link down below. Steve Marie, yung birthday niya sa Saturday na happy birthday, advance happy birthday. Igigreet kita pag natandaan ko sa next vlog ko. And then Hazel Lucas and her son Marcus. Hi! Charissa S. De La Cruz, Tia Marie or T. Marie. Please let me know kung paano pronounce yan. Avery Ann DL, Jen Eugenio. Birthday niya sa September 28. Happy birthday! Hannah S. Sor, Lori Morante, Kobe Santa Ana, Jolina Enosa. Tinry ko ipa-shoutout kita kay Marlon. Kaya lang nahiya siya kasi tinukso siya ng mga kapatid ko. I tried. Pero sa next week, I know he will do it. Nahiya lang siya. And then Rachel Laksamana, Jeneth Perez, Maria Polina Maliga Lozano, Ira Legaspi, Camille Aranzaso Pedronia, Evangeline Palomo Opulencia, and her husband Gerald Opulencia, Clarice Lualhati, Paulina Dacudao, Shishel, meron din siyang channel, link will be down below, Joster Bagaypo Erna, and her husband Kevin Jester. And then from my weekly vlog 15 YouTube comments, hi to May Rayo, Charlene Taray, Lexis Carmel, and to Miss K17. Hi sa lahat. Anyway, that's it you guys. I think I'm gonna film a haul video later kasi nga na-receive ko yung package from VA Cosmetics. I'm so excited. I actually opened this one already kasi I just can't wait to swatch it, and it is so pretty, you guys. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys sa walang sawang panonood ng vlogs ko. I will go take a shower na and then film a video, and then I will also film my Q&A video today. So yeah, that's it. Do not forget, be good. See you tomorrow. Bye.